Okay, in this problem they tell us we've got a side length of 18 and a side length of 26 and an angle in between of 13 degrees. And they say, what's the area of this triangle? Now, I don't know what these other two angles are. I don't know which one's a right triangle. In fact, it is not a right triangle. I can double check, because if it were, this would have to be the hypotenuse, which would mean that the cosine of 13 degrees should be 18 divided by 26, but it's not. I checked it on my calculator. So the thing is, though, to find the area of this triangle, you want 1/2 the base times the height. So let's take the long side here of 26 as being the base. I'm going to drop a perpendicular, right? And so that's what I'm going to call the height. So the area is going to be 1/2 the base, which is 26, times the height, which I still need to figure out. Well, the thing is, now that I've dropped a perpendicular, I've got a right triangle. And so in that right triangle, I've got the unknown side of h, and so in that triangle, the 18 is the hypotenuse. So h divided by 18 that would be the sine of 13 degrees. So I can find h by multiplying both sides by 18. This is 18, the sine of 13 degrees. And then I can use that number, whatever it is, into here. And so the area is going to be 1/2 of 26 times 18 times the sine of 13 degrees. I'm going to type that all into my calculator and get what the area is. All right. I didn't have a right triangle to begin with, but as soon as I drop a perpendicular, now I do. I've got a hypotenuse and an angle. I can use that to figure out what this opposite side is here. Okay.